Today we're going to try out a new recipe. It's a pink velvet cake that is made with butter, almond flour, cake flour, and egg whites. First we need to cream the butter and add the confectioner's sugar. We're going to then add some honey or corn syrup and vanilla. Next, we add our milk in parts. Whisk the dry ingredients together. This includes almond flour, cake flour, and baking powder. Then add half of this to the butter mixture and fold. Whisk your egg whites with the sugar until you create soft peaks. Whisk in 1/3 of the meringue into the butter batter vigorously, and then add the rest of the dry ingredients and fold. Add half of the rest of the meringue to the batter and carefully whisk, and do this again with the rest of the meringue. Now you're going to color your batter and you're going to divide it into 3 pans. After my cakes were finished baking, I assembled it using cream cheese buttercream frosting. Unfortunately, I don't have a recording of that to show you in this video, but we are going to try out making buttercream peony flowers for the first time and using them to decorate this cake